Everyone, this is Sauda and I'm making my first YouTube video. Please show some love on my video and like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and share my video as much as you can. Please support me, and I will make all the videos with the material which is too easily available in the market. Please support me. Thank you. I have different colors of glitter sheets. This fairy bond for sticking. I use floral tape, bunch of thick wires, these parags of decorations, and pairs of scissors. Let's start. thank you so much all of you for watching my video. If you don't like my video yet, go and like it, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notified. Thank